Hi Internet, it's Chris in Arena Studio. If you want to learn Acdc's classic opening riff to Girls Got Rhythm, then this is the video for you. So today I'm running through the Marshall JCM 800, 1983 model. I've had it for donkey's years. It's a great amp. You should be able to see the settings there now. So if you want to tweak your amp to a similar sort of variance, you might find that you can get something similar sound-wise to the track. I've got a little bit more overdrive, a bit more gain on this than you would normally use on a lot of the Acdc tracks. It just seems to give that extra little bit of sustain on the riff. So the riff goes a little bit like this. Okay, great riff. So it starts with basically the 7th fret, 3rd and 4th strings together. Then we go to the 5th fret, same 2 strings, 3rd and 4th strings. So I'm playing it with fingers 3 and 1 there, so I actually go. Okay? And then we move to the 7th fret of the A string, and then we hammer on to the 9th fret of the A string. So you should see the tab on there. It's all good to go, the tab, so just follow that. So far we've got 7, 5, and then 7 to 9 hammer on the A string, and then we play the 7th fret of the D string twice. So far we've got okay, show you one more time. All good, and then the next thing that we do is play the A string open. So add that little section on, so we've got okay, you don't really notice that open A string in there a lot of the time. And then we go back to the 5th fret on the 3rd and 4th strings together. And then we just add on the 7th fret of the D string, the 4th string. And that's the whole riff that cycles, apart from the little bit before there's a pause and everything comes in, okay? So we've got this type of thing. Just do it, which is a hammer on from 7 to 9 on the A string. Then we go to the 7th fret of the D string, 2, and then 9th fret on the A, and then back to the D string on the 7th fret. So you get that. Okay, so hopefully up to speed. Okay, and that's it. Practice it nice and slow, build your speed up gradually. Give the channel a like and a subscribe. I love the Acdc stuff, and what I'm actually going to do is go through the whole Highway to Hell album. So you should be seeing a link to Highway to Hell riff, Girls Got Rhythm, and so on. I'm going to go right through the whole album for you every week with a different riff for you to learn. Classic Acdc stuff, you've got to learn it if you're a guitar player, into your rock stuff, it's great. So again, give the channel a like please, and a subscribe, and ring the bell, and I'll see you next week with some more Acdc classic riffs.